Hi guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to the first look at the new BMW 3 Series. Now I'm not yet in Paris, I will be there in 2 days and then I will bring you an in-depth review of the car. But for now let's take a closer look at the official footage from Paris Motor Show. And we can see that this new generation, codenamed G20, is much more aggressive I think than the previous one. It is actually wider and longer, and sits on the CLAR platform. The car has a massive front grille. You have this grille that is connected to the headlights, which we also saw on the new BMW 5 Series. But I must say the car is not as similar as 5 Series that I would expect. The front LED lights are slightly changed, so they have a different shape. Also there is a really different rear end. The rear end that we haven't seen on any of the BMW models yet. I think some of the people already say that it reminds them of Lexus, especially the LED lights at the back. I don't know, you tell me, what do you think about it? We'll take a closer look, of course, as I said, in Paris, but I think the car overall looks very good. There is a big improvement in the interior because there is a new digital dashboard. As you can see, that's the thing that all the new BMW models will have. So you have a digital dashboard and you have a 8.8-inch central screen, which I must say look very good. There is of course the ambient lights and stuff like that, which come very often as a standard now in the premium cars such as this. But yeah, BMW is coming next year. It's gonna be on the market, of course, and it's gonna be a big opponent to the cars like the Audi A4 and the Mercedes C-Class, which just had a redesign. But yeah, tell me what you think about the car. This is the first look, and of course I will bring you a review when I go to Paris on Thursday. And speaking of my going to Paris, I'm going on the first public day, and I'm gonna try film as many cars as I can. And tell me in the comments which cars should I film, which cars do you want to see, and I'll make your wish come true. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. As I said, new BMW 3 Series, great car. I think it's gonna be a tough time for the opponents, but yeah, BMW nailed it again. And yeah, can't wait to be in Paris. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel to see all the reviews from the Paris.